Welcome, in front of me is a TCL 40SE, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using just the home screen as an example for this, so it's already open for me. Just make sure that your content is visible on the screen. From there, simply hold the power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have this flash along with the pop-up with the scroll, share and delete option, and after a moment it will disappear from your screen. Once it does so, you can find that screenshot in your gallery application. It will be visible as the newest screenshot or image, but if you're trying to find it later on down the line, you can do so by navigating into the gallery and finding a gallery or album called screenshots. And in here, obviously, you will find only the screenshots that I have captured. And here's the one that I have captured. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.